They finally came in, chat. You see this box. We're gonna talk about it, so let's get into it.
I don't wanna play games. I don't wanna learn names. You gotta learn from your old ways. So you don't fall for the same. I don't wanna play games.
The Air Jordan Chicago 13s finally came to the crib. We got them. I've worn them. There'll be shots of the shoe being on foot while I'm talking about it. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this paper for y'all so we can see the shoe in all of its glory. Oh, hold on, something at the bottom. Oh man, stepped on that. Whoops. Oh, well, I won't show that shoe. I'll show the other one. So, as you can see, there's something right there. Boom. The Air Jordan 13 2025 editions. Though they're so clean. So clean. So, one thing I do want to talk about first is just the material. On the red part of the shoe, it's kind of like a suede type of feel. Even at the bottom, it's like rubber. I don't know if y'all can see that it's rubber. It's kind of dirty because I've already worn them, but the suede on the shoe is really soft, really nice. It's reinforced pretty well. Even if I squish it, it doesn't like make a squeaking sound. If you know, you know. But for the most part, inside you can see a size 9 in there. The sole actually is pretty comfortable. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna take the sole out. My foot being in here, it's really soft. It doesn't hurt. I thought it was gonna hurt my feet just looking at the model. This Jordan just, man, I didn't think I was gonna like these on foot as much as I did. They fit really well. Definitely true to size. Size 9 is what I wear. That's what I've been ordering all my shoes in thus far in, and so far I haven't been disappointed, especially because this is the first release day shoe I've ever gotten. Okay, this is a piece of history in the Zay Michael lore at this point. So these shoes, man, they're probably these are definitely my second favorite pair that I have as of the moment. The first pair we're gonna talk about a little later in a different video, because we did cop a pair of 4s recently at SwapCon, which is a whole nother video within itself. The second thing that I want to talk about is definitely the colors. The white definitely is gonna get dirty at some point if you continue wearing it, but so far after one wear, still looks really good. I did my best not to crease them up by walking in them. I don't have any force fields. I probably should buy some eventually, but as of right now, everything is definitely still holding up. The white is really white. I don't know if, hopefully y'all can see that as much white that I can. Even on the tongue, it's the colors really well. As far as the material, it's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like soft but bristle. It's very hard to explain. You can see the just the detail and the pattern on that white area on the outside shoe, and how clean and just, you know, texturized it looks even at the eye. But once you touch it, it's so cool. It's so cool. I like it so far. um the only complaint that I have with the shoe so far is maybe just the laces. The laces are just are really weird. Like, even on the pair of 4s that I bought, I'm wearing them on my feet, so I'm looking down at them. These I can just show you. I'll show it in the video. Like, they're flat. They're flat laces, but these are not. They're like the rounder, you know, type. When you think of a shoelace, you think of this in a way. So wrong. Very weird lacing. Other than that, that's my only complaint. The actual shoe itself looks really well. Even the little dot part, there's a piece of plastic over it that I haven't just took off, and I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna touch it. But even on the other shoe, like, just dude, oh my god, it looks so good. It's so good. Another thing that I do like about the shoe is that even on foot, it doesn't look too wide or look too long. And the bottom of the shoe, like the black accent, I'm gonna bring it back up again. Like, this part complements so well, so well. Like, I can wear these with a lot of different colors. I can wear it all black. I can wear it, you know, rocking red. I can wear it straight white, white red, white black, black white. Bro, these are a lot more versatile of a shoe than you think. if you know how to style it correctly, which maybe in the video we'll do. I definitely have a fit check video somewhere already out. It'll be included in either in Checkpoint or this video. But overall, man, I love these shoes. I think they're really, really good. My second favorite pair that I've gotten so far as Jordans go. First pair I've ever gotten on release day. If I have to score it out of a 10, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. I got these for what, $230 something on X. I woke up late. Like I said in last week's Checkpoint, I woke up late. I thought I had enough time to wait back up and order them. 15 minutes later, they were already gone off Nike. They couldn't process my order, no matter how many times I tried. So I just went to StockX and just copped a pair. But overall, definitely 8 out of 10. Could be a 9 out of 10. We'll have to see a little later if I do a re-review of the Jordans I have so far. Who knows? Maybe that score will go up. Maybe it'll be a 10 out of 10 by the middle of the year. But right now, 8 out of 10. If you can get these online, or if you can get these at your local retail, I definitely say pick them up. I know the UNC's just dropped. If you're watching this video, the UNC's dropped this previous weekend. I wasn't gonna cop those. I decided not to. Went with something else. I went to SwapCon instead. Spent my money at SwapCon. Got a little pair of 4s for the first time. So we'll do a review video on that, and I'll tell you my thoughts on those. But as far as this, man, dude, this is a pickup. This is a definite pickup. If you have not picked these up yet, I definitely recommend them. I knew they were gonna be fire when I got them. Just the color, the design, the material, the feel, even on foot. Really, really good. Really, really good. I have no complaints as far as that go. Just the laces are a little weird to me. Just the round laces, but overall, 8 out of 10. And all right, chat, that's it for today's review. If you want to see more of these, please for sure like, subscribe, and hype the video up down below. And I will see you next time. And I'm out. See you. Peace.